Sometimes I know exactly how you feel, but you feel like sometimes the world is real. You feel like war's a game, and there's a puppet master, but we don't even know his name. He controls our every scene and every moves. No, 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 we won't stand for this. We won't be the puppets anymore. No, 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 no. We won't stand for this. We won't stand for this. We're not gonna be the puppets anymore. We're gonna outsmart the puppet master. Oh yeah, we're gonna outsmart the puppet master. Oh yeah, gonna outsmart the puppet master. We don't even know his name, but we'll try to figure out. The years pass by. We don't have a lot of time. I know that it will be so hard to figure out who's behind the curtains. Who's behind the curtains? Who's making the strings move? Who's making the puppets move? Who's making the puppets move? I know that's gonna be hard for me and you, but we're gonna get happening, happening, happening. Yeah, we're for real.